Well, I'm sitting here relaxing on my little booty, and I just went ahead and hit record, and that means I get to chat with you folks for about 5 to 10 minutes, okay? First of all, thank you for watching my videos and subscribing to my YouTube channel. All the information, the links, it should be below. This little thing called little square, little rectangle, okay? And if you have any questions, definitely get a hold of me if you want to join the opportunity I'm about to present to you, okay? Now, about a year and a half ago, basically April of 2023, I joined a company called LIVEGOOD. And I realized that to be an affiliate where I'm going to earn money and buy their products, I need people to look at their cell phone screen and just go, God, you know, this Cory just posted on Facebook. Maybe I'll click the link. Or, oh, I just got an email from this guy named Cory. Or, I don't know, maybe he's doing something crazy on Instagram. But I want to go ahead and click a link and see what this cat's all about. Okay. And I realized that with LIVEGOOD, all right, I need to learn how to be interesting or compelling, mysterious. Just, I have to do something to keep up with all the other things out there that distract and just suck you in, that TikTok funnel, that Instagram vortex where you just keep watching crazy videos and crazy people jumping off roofs or doing backflips on motorcycles, okay? I tend to watch all the hot girls do this. Oh man, I'm one of those guys. But anyway, if you think you're shy or you just, oh man, I'm not going to do video, don't worry, guys. Let's get you good at emailing. Let's get you good at just getting a nice business card. That way, face to face, I just want you to give a business card out and let little videos already made, okay, already made. You don't have to do any videos. There's so many made right now. All you got to do is just share that video. Let people decide yay or nay. If they want to participate in whatever business you want them to join, let them decide. All right, if they're interested, they'll come back. They'll get a hold of you, but no rush. Okay, everything I do is low pressure. It's all affordable, and it's timeless. Okay, I'm not going to promote something like winter coats because in the summer, I'm not going to sell boats because in the winter, I'm not going to sell snow skis in the summer. You know what I mean? I want to sell stuff that is pretty compelling and desirable worldwide on this little dirt ball called Earth, okay? And I want to do it when I'm sleeping or pooping or break dancing. Do you guys want me to break dance? If you guys watch my videos, you know that I can't dance. White people can't dance or jump. Remember that movie? I'm proof that, yeah, that actually feels pretty good. If I do this the rest of the video, will I look weird? Maybe this will get me, like, remember people do this with their head? Like, don't talk to the hand. Wait, don't talk to the hand. I'm born in the 60s, guys. I'm not cool like those little teenagers or those little 25-year-old people on Instagram. But you know what? I know how to get attention. I know how to get leads and traffic. I know how to make money. I'm really good at it right now. And I want you to trust me that if you're subscribing to my channel, if you're looking for an opportunity and you have no idea what that is, what should I sell? Okay, what can I do out of my home? Maybe in your kitchen, living room, on your couch. Maybe you have an extra bedroom. I just built this man cave. I put like a fridge, microwave. I put a bunch of stuff from, obviously it looks like Amazon or a toy store exploded. I bought a webcam for about it was about $70 at Best Buy. It's a Logitech C920. I bought a little light. See the little circle in my glasses? I just bought a $25 light at Walmart. And I enjoy making video like this. And I know that 95% of you will not want to. But I want you to share links to videos already made. Okay? Watch. Now, I'm going to click my little self, and I'm going to be over here. Do you see me? I'm going to just be this little dude over here. Okay. If you go to CoryDraper.com, you're going to get this poor lady sinking in the water, and this nice guy's hand is going to come and save her. All right, this is the background I chose. But anyway, if you go to Welcome to Live Good, Legacy, Multiple Income, do you see these buttons? These all complement everything that I'm talking about with LiveGood or a funnel system, or if you need leads, you need to email. Every one of these buttons, except for Pure Rock Radio, this is my baby. It's my radio station. I put it in there just if you like hair band or rock and roll, like Van Halen to AC/DC, even the new stuff. But that's a free plug for my purerockradio.com. But all these buttons, they absolutely help me get signups every single day. If it's not Live Good, I'll make a $900 in Legacy Builders program. Guys, that's a day. All right, multiple income funnel. That's what I want you to look into. See the business card I made? Pleasewatchvideo.com. Okay, this is what I want you to go to, because this funnel system, it has really helped me get signups and Live Good and to make a heck of a lot of money. Okay, now I can't guarantee how much you're going to make. You can make $1, maybe $1 billion. I don't know. But if you put effort into it and make this fun, don't make this heavy lifting. Please don't, guys. This is a really nice opportunity for you. Just relax. You can do this. So go to pleasewatchvideo.com. This is the page. I did not build it. It's a capture page. This company built it for me. When you click this YouTube video you're going to watch, you're going to click this little red button, and it's going to take you on a journey. Okay? That's all I'm going to say. It's a well-made video, and it's entertaining. So get yourself a little drink, and it's not long, but it's fun. And you can see why I'm kicking some massive ass, not only in Live Good or Legacy Builders program. This multiple income funnel, it's exactly what it is. It's multiple income. It's a funnel where you get one website, one domain. In my case, I bought pleasewatchvideo.com. It goes to that palm tree page. Put your name and email address in and watch. The video does everything else. This website has 4 incomes. You get to decide 2. If you have no idea 2 incomes, guys, I will tell you what I am doing right now. Let's see, today is December 10th of 2024. It's kicking butt. I don't promote anything that doesn't make money. If I want to do hobbies, guys, I'll build Lego kits and screw off at a toy store. But if I'm going to go ahead and, put in about 10 minutes, and I like my videos to be about 10. They're not too long, not too short. But I want to earn money. There's nothing wrong with that, guys. We have bills. We have cell phone things we got to pay. We got food. Do you poop? I do. I need baby wipes. I don't even like toilet paper. I like Huggies Babies wipes. Those little baby butt thing. Oh my God, those little Huggies they're amazing. They're like $2.50 for a big old pack at Walmart. All right? I need money. I need to wipe, drink, eat, pay for electricity for this building and internet access. You guys probably have kids. Do you guys eat and drink every day like I do? I have since the 60s. Every day I got to eat something and drink something and then pee it out and poop it out. No matter what, I can't stop doing it. And it all takes money. Okay? So, I have multiple streams of income. I absolutely recommend it. It's just like being on the Titanic with 3 life preservers and 7,500 lifeboats, where every person gets a lifeboat. No one drowns on my Titanic. When I go fishing, I take 5 fishing poles. I'm not going to sit there with 1 fishing pole and not catch nothing. I'll have 25 fishing poles in that damn lake, but I'm catching something. Okay, and if I'm going to do online business, I want multiple streams of income. They all complement each other. Just like pizza dough, how about some nice red sauce and sausage, pepperoni, maybe a little black olive, okay? How about a shell for a taco, meat, cheese, and all that yummy hot sauce that's green and red, okay? That's how I look at online business. You need multiple things to get attraction, and it's all based upon inviting people to a domain, watching a video that describes the opportunity, the price, everything. I don't want you to have to do it. If you want to do what I'm doing with video like this, awesome. But don't if you're uncomfortable. These videos are already made. They're already made. You just get real good at inviting people to a link. Okay, and if you don't mind, can I just show you one last time? All right, I think it's ingenious. When I bought this, I had no idea that this would be money in the bank like it turned out to be. But I'll tell you what, 2023 and 2024 has been really good to me. And guys, I only have 1.5 years of experience doing this. Okay? Pleasewatchvideo.com. That's what I'd love you to do right now if you got a few minutes, okay? Get a hold of me, guys. Find me on Facebook, inbox me. Cory at CoryDraper.com is my email. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I always point up because I usually have videos that pop up on my head if you're watching YouTube right now, okay? All right, pleasewatchvideo.com. And right now I've got 8 seconds before it goes to 10-minute video. I got to go to 10:01. or my head falls off, and it's really weird and crazy. So how about I say cheers with my Ghost Energy drink? All right, guys. Thanks for your time, and get a hold of me if you need something. Okay, bye.